Hello, good morning. It's very early when I'm filming this. It's 5 a.m. Today is an exciting day because I've been working on something in collaboration with a lot of other yoga creators. A lot. And when I say a lot, I mean a lot. It's huge. You may have heard of it before because it was offered, I think, last year as well. The yoga bundle. It's basically the ultimate yoga bundle. It's not called that, but I call it that because it's just gigantic. The amount of things offered in this program is huge. It's over 60 yoga ebooks, programs, like online yoga classes about all different types of topics. Overall worth of this program is let me see, $6,671.82. That's not how much they are charging for it. They're charging $50 for the whole thing. And it is available now only until April 21st. So the 21st of April up until the end of that day. So midnight, basically 11:59 p.m. on the 21st of April Eastern Standard Time. So that's New York time. Let's just go into this and I'll show you. So here we are. In the yoga bundle page, you'll click on my link that's in the description of this video. I'll try and link it in the cards as well. I don't know if YouTube will allow me to do that, but I will try. Basically it's as I said, 60 plus courses, programs, and ebooks. There's a lot of really cool people that participated in this, and it's kind of crazy that they're offering it at such a low price. So here's what you'll basically get. All of these things for not the total price of over $6,000, but only $50. Basically, you can have this whole thing for life. So, as I said, it's a 99% discount. You can see all these people. So you could do ball Pilates, which is really cool, feminine balance, feminine power, the consistency code workshop, that looks cool, a flow workshop, and this one is mine here over on the right. This is what I'm offering. So it's called Moonflow Chakra Alignment. Basically, it is my classes, my series of classes on chakra yoga, and my series of classes on practicing yoga with the phases of the moon. And then along with those two series, I have included a new ebook. So that ebook basically will guide you on how to practice yoga, tuning into practice on each chakra along with each phase of the moon. It also includes journaling exercises for each phase of the moon and nutrition guides on like the types of things maybe you would want to eat around that time to feel your best and to align yourself with nature and yourself and all the good things. So yes, that's what I'm offering. It says regular price is $75 because it's a lot of value, but it's along in the bundle. The bundle itself with all of these other things are cheaper than my course alone. So, I mean, that says something. There's power flow, grounding flow, introduction to handstands. That's awesome. Another yoga course, Yoga Nidra, which I love Yoga Nidra. Definitely recommend if you haven't tried that type of meditation. Arm balancing, so cool. If you want to strengthen your arms. More foundations of handstands, which is awesome. Prosperity mentality course, core strength, another flow class, a lot of flows here, which is really cool because flows are great for like getting your body moving, and it's great to experience different types of teachers. A 2-week reset, another meditation course, root chakra meditation. You could learn how to get your body ready for King Dancer pose. Flow series about your there's a series about your cycle, so you can learn more about your cycle if you are female and have a cycle. Headstand, foundation, so if you're a beginner, mobility. There's just a ton. I'm not going to go through all. There's just too many to even go through. There's a pregnancy course as well, so if you're pregnant, you could practice with that one, and then when you're not pregnant anymore, you can use the rest of them if you feel more comfortable doing that. Another series about your cycle, which is great. It's just a lot of different things. There's even like a course on making smoothies, a 7-day challenge, prana cards where you can practice breath work, and Kundalini yoga, another beginner's yoga guide, plant-based recipes, which I love, manifestation workshop. It's just, and then there's these bonuses as well. Iyengar, you have access to that. Pelvic floor, a movement app, I said Iyengar already. Oh, the sound has come on. Anyway, there's a lot of stuff. You could check out the link. Basically, it guides you on how to do it. You get the bundle, you'll get the email confirmation. You can download whatever products you want. You have access to everything, and you keep it. You have access to the pass for 1 year, and then you keep whatever resources that you download, and keep access for yourself. Like you'll get all of the codes and whatnot once you purchase, and you have access to whatever you have, obviously, for life. There is no catch. And here's all the reviews. Questions, here's frequently asked questions. My battery's flashing, so I'm gonna wrap this up. The link is in the description box, and I hope you check it out because it's cool and it's only offered for a certain amount of time. And if you want to get to know other yoga instructors on the internet that definitely post more regularly than me, then this is a great way to try out their offerings and see what their style is all about. So I hope you enjoy this. I'm really excited to bring it to you, and yeah, let me know if you have any questions. I will see you soon. Thanks. Bye.